Garmin watches, like the Phoenix and Forerunner, have a Do Not Disturb (DND) mode to silence notifications during sleep or activities. Sometimes DND gets stuck, preventing notifications even when the mode is disabled. This is usually due to software glitches or firmware bugs. But don't worry, it's often fixable. As of February 2026, Garmin has released updates to address this. We'll guide you through the solutions. Garmin regularly releases firmware updates to address bugs, including those affecting Do Not Disturb mode. Keeping your watch updated is crucial for optimal performance. To update your firmware, start by opening the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. Next, sync your watch to ensure the latest data is transferred. Then, check for available updates and install them if found. Installing the latest firmware, such as Release 12.0 Plus, resolves many DND-related issues effectively. A simple force restart can often resolve a stuck Do Not Disturb mode on your Garmin watch. This clears temporary software glitches that might be causing the problem. To perform a force restart, locate the power button on your watch. Press and hold it for 15 to 20 seconds. Continue holding the button for the full duration. The watch will eventually turn off and then restart automatically. This is the quickest and easiest solution, resolving the issue in many cases without needing further steps. The Garmin Connect app offers remote reset options. Ensure your watch is synced with the app. Within the app, navigate to your device settings and look for options related to notifications or DND. Some updates have introduced a force reset DND option directly within the app. Syncing ensures any settings changes are properly applied to your watch, resolving conflicts. To effectively resolve the Do Not Disturb issue on your Garmin watch, it's important to identify what might be causing it to get stuck. Several common factors can contribute to this problem. First, software bugs from incomplete updates are a leading cause. When firmware updates don't install properly, the Do Not Disturb mode can remain stuck in an active state, preventing notifications from working correctly. Second, low battery levels can affect the watch's ability to properly switch modes. When power is critically low, the system may prioritize energy conservation, causing Do Not Disturb to remain active even when it should be disabled. Third, conflicts with other watch modes can be a culprit. For example, if sleep tracking mode overlaps with Do Not Disturb, the system might struggle to switch between them, leaving DND stuck in an active state. Fourth, third-party apps and widgets can interfere with the watch's notification system. These external applications might conflict with Garmin's built-in settings, causing Do Not Disturb to malfunction or remain stuck. Factory reset, the last resort. If other methods fail, a factory reset will restore the watch to its default settings. Be aware this erases all personal data, so back up your information first. To perform a factory reset, consult your watch's manual or search online for instructions specific to your Garmin model. This clears out any corrupted data or settings causing the DND issue. If the Do Not Disturb issue persists, even after a factory reset, it may point to a hardware problem or a more complex software bug that requires further assistance. First, contact Garmin support directly. Be prepared to share details about your watch model, current firmware version, and all the troubleshooting steps you've already attempted. To get help, visit Garmin's official support website or use their app to submit a ticket. Their team can provide personalized guidance based on your specific situation. Second, check online forums and communities for additional insights. Many users share model-specific solutions or workarounds for persistent issues that aren't covered in standard support documentation. Popular forums include Reddit's r/Garmin or Garmin's official community boards. Search for your watch model and the specific Do Not Disturb problem to find user-reported fixes. Looking ahead, Garmin is embracing AI-driven software patches that can detect and fix bugs like stuck Do Not Disturb mode through real-time diagnostics. This innovative approach promises to eliminate many common issues before they affect users. To prevent future DND issues, regularly update your watch firmware through the Garmin Connect app. This ensures you have the latest bug fixes and improvements. Avoid installing unverified apps that could interfere with your watch's performance. Stick to official Garmin apps and those from trusted developers. Monitor your battery levels and avoid letting it drain completely, as low battery can contribute to software glitches. As Garmin watches gain more features like advanced health monitoring, prioritize regular software updates and maintenance to keep everything running smoothly. By staying proactive with updates and maintenance, you can minimize the chances of encountering do not disturb issues and ensure your Garmin watch continues to serve you well.